All right, we're at the property in Waterford. Forgot the street name, but 6635. I think it's like Longworth in Waterford. I'm gonna run you guys through this real quick. We just picked this one up last week. We got the walk into the living room. We already started all the demo a couple days ago. And then we got the kitchen in here. Took out all the cabinets. So we're gonna have shaker style cabinets, white shaker style with granite. This is fake wood, looks like real wood, but over here is real wood. We're gonna see if we can sand this and salvage it, but I'll let you know for sure in a little bit. So this was the bathroom, and it's gone. So we're actually, there was like a big long sink over here, but there's like no room to walk through. It's like only 18-inch wide. So what we did is bump this out a couple more, probably like 8 inches or 10 inches or so. So we're gonna have the tub a little bit further back, have a little more room. So this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath house. Here's one of the bedrooms. It's in Waterford with a 2-car garage, and half the basement's finished. So I'll walk you guys down to the basement in a minute. Nice good yard, has a nice back porch too as well. Look at that. So we're gonna rip down the ceilings and put some T111 siding up. Let's see if we can get some lights down here in the basement. So this was like a cool finished basement, like 1970s. We had a drop down ceiling we just ripped out. The the tiles were like caked in tobacco from the 50 years of smoking down here. And look at this cool bar. So we're gonna salvage this bar down here and yeah, bring it back to life. Take off that red carpet. It's nice as it looks, but we're gonna paint the walls, paint the ceilings black, and then put some flooring down, and probably replace that light. So yeah, just wanted to do a quick video of this house. I'm gonna keep you guys up to date on this one. We got one in Sterling Heights that we're starting next week as well. So there you go. See you guys for the next one.